I am worthy of love and respect. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am confident in my abilities. I am grateful for all the good things in my life. I am surrounded by positive energy. I am worthy of success and happiness. I am proud of myself and my accomplishments. I am capable of overcoming any obstacle. I am deserving of good things in life. I am confident in my decisions and choices. I am worthy of forgiveness and compassion. I am capable of learning and growing every day. I am surrounded by people who love and support me. I am worthy of respect and kindness from others. I am capable of creating the life that I want. I am grateful for all the opportunities that come my way. I am confident in my ability to handle challenges. I am deserving of love and happiness. I am proud of who I am and what I stand for. I am capable of achieving anything that I set my mind to. I am surrounded by abundance and prosperity. I am worthy of success and abundance in all areas of my life. I am confident in my ability to make good decisions. I am deserving of peace, joy, and fulfillment in life. I am capable of creating a positive impact on the world around me. I am surrounded by people who inspire me to be my best self. I am worthy of living a life filled with purpose and meaning. I am confident in my ability to achieve my dreams and goals. I am deserving of all the good things that come into my life. I am proud of myself for who I have become and what I have accomplished so far. I hope these affirmations help you feel more positive, motivated, and confident.